What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Life K coming back to another YouTube video. Today I will be doing part 2 of the Cream of Nature Pure Honey review video. If you have not checked out part 1 of this video, make sure you stop right here, go to the description box right now, and click on that link and it will bring you to part 1. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to re-moisture my hair with a little bit of H2O. Now I'll be using product 3, which is the Texturizing Curl Setting Lotion. Using the setting lotion, it will make sure that each coil stays a coil throughout the day. Last but not least, I'll be using the Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. And when I tell y'all this feels like butter, y'all just don't understand. It feels so good on my hair. It made my hair so soft. And what I like about these products, it does not let my hair feel crunchy. It doesn't make it feel dry. It is very, very moisturized now. You saw how it looked in the beginning. It don't look like that no more. It don't look like it. It looks nice and moisturized. That's what I like about this product. Now I will be parting my hair, and I part my hair while it's wet, so when it dries, it stays exactly where I parted it. And I'm pretty sure I probably confused some of y'all, so keep on watching and you'll understand what I meant. Now I will brush my part to where I would like it to dry. And in approximately 10 minutes, my hair dried up and looked just like this. As you can see, you can spot each coil by itself, nice and pretty. Some little fluff, I had overpicked, but hey, we're gonna keep it moving. So this hairstyle lasted for about 3 days because I am a very hard sleeper, so it wasn't gonna last longer than that. It is starting to get hot down here in Memphis, so my hair usually gets damaged from the heat if I do not have a protective style. Now that I use this, my hair still feels soft throughout the day, inside, outside, at night, in the morning. So I do recommend this product to each and every natural sister out in this world. But I'm in this video, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I will holler at each and every one of y'all in the next video. Deuces.